Hi all, welcome back to my channel. This is Daniel with DR Data Learning. Today's episode I want to teach you how to code faster using Excel. Cool little trick to help you speed up your programming, and let's go ahead and get into it. But before we do, let's make sure you smash that like button and go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you like this kind of video. It lets me know that you are interested in seeing more of this kind of video. Alright, thank you, and let's get into it. Okay, so here's the data we're looking at. We've got county code and county. In this specific example, I want to teach you how to code a case-when statement for SQL or an if-then statement for Python using data that you already have. It's stored in either Excel or maybe you're getting it off the internet to create a variable. So in this particular example, I want to create a variable called county code, and I've already got the county codes, and I'm going to use county to help me create the county code. So I've got, the way we would do this is we use a concatenate statement in Excel. So concatenate just takes a bunch of strings and variables in Excel and kind of strings them all together. So it's a one long text. So that's what we're going to use today to go ahead and code. We'll do this in SQL. Okay, so let's take a look at the data. Here we got county code, and then we have county. Make sure your variables are text that you're trying to string together. What I'm going to do is take a concatenation statement. So concat, and I need to put anything I'm inserting into it, I need to have double quotations. So I'm going to do a case-when statement for SQL. So double quotation when county equals, and then a single quote, and then close it off with another double quotation. When county equals Alameda, I want to close it with another single quotation. So I'm using double quotation, single quotation, double, then comma, and then I'm going to add the next part of the statement. So then single quotation, I'm adding in my variable county code, and then close it off with another single quotation. So once I've got this statement written down, I can go ahead and there's all my lines, all 58 lines that I need to create a variable. So anyway, guys, I hope you really enjoyed this episode. If you did find this information useful, go ahead and subscribe to my channel below, and you can check out my website as well. All right, thank you all. Have a great day.